Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check recipient account number in Remitly. In order to do this, you first need to launch your Remitly application and then it will ask you to sign in into your account. So you need to provide your email address and your password and you simply need to log in into your account. Now on the home page, you will be able to see this recipients tab. So you need to tap on it and here you will be able to see the list of all of the recipients that you have added previously. So in order to find the recipient's account number, you need to simply select the recipients and here you need to tap on the edit button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once this tap is done, you will be able to see your recipient's details that you must have entered previously, including their account number, phone number, residence, etc. So in this section, you just have to simply find the account number of your recipient, and if you want to make changes into it, then you just have to simply make changes and then tap on the save button in the bottom. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.